Welcome to this gorgeous 1992 Sea Ray 350 sedan bridge. She's been completely remodeled by Bayport Yachts. David Schaefer, our lead engineer, took hold of this project and has completely revamped this boat. Rockin' is ready to take you to Catalina. She's got twin 454 motors, brand new Stamoid Canvas on the Flybridge with strata-glass enclosure, new exterior carpet both here in the cockpit and on the Flybridge. And if you see this stairway, it's absolutely easy to walk up and down holding drinks and cocktails in your hands. As you can see, the seating is exquisite. Brand new helm seat, slider base adjustable up and down, brand new Simrad electronics, radar, chart plotter, Fishfinder, a real Fishfinder. Boat's got about 100 hours on the engines that were replaced with brand new 454s in 2016. We've even added flip down cup holders. Built a custom console here on the starboard side that used to house the electronics. You've got command switches there to your starboard side, standard VHF radio, Cytex autopilot, and here is one of the coolest things of this Sea Ray Express bridge. Walking right down the center of the boat onto the foredeck. Got a couple of the modern beanbag chairs up here on the bow. Anchor windlass. Nice deck hatch for ventilation in the forward hatch. Looking back onto the Flybridge, you can see the crystal clear strata-glass enclosure. Brand new Simrad high-def Doppler radar. Huge cockpit with a built-in stern settee. Easy to walk around, easy to walk through. And here we are in the Salon. Lots of windows up top. We've got the blinds twisted right now to keep the glare of the sun here in the afternoon, November 2021. Seating is original and it's in spectacular shape. Brand new refrigerator, water heater, electrical systems, everything's been gone through. We've put LED lighting throughout. New water pumps with accumulator tank. There's the forward stateroom. I'm 6'2" and the bed must be about 6'8" long. It's got a regular hard door here to separate and give yourself privacy. Hanging storage here on the starboard side, built-in knives. Or here on the port side. There's the Salon looking back. Both the port and starboard sides break down into berths. 6 real American adults can live aboard this boat for a weekend in Catalina. Nice large head, vacuum flush toilet, hot and cold shower. As I say, the hot water heater is brand new. The risers are brand new on the boat. The oil coolers on the transmissions, new alternators, new water pumps. Give us a call at Bayport Yachts, 949-631-0228, or you can talk with J.R. Means, the listing broker, at 949-637-6671. Have a blessed day.